This product is going to revolutionize 3 critical industries: the power industry, the independence industry, and the freedom industry. This product is going to revolutionize all 3. Are you getting it? Ladies and gentlemen, we have harnessed the power of the atom. Introducing the Enron egg, the world's first micronuclear reactor for residential suburban use. This little device can power your entire home for up to 10 continuous years. It goes without saying, but when you put a nuclear reactor in your home, it's gotta be safe for the whole family. I've been living with an egg for a few months now, and let me just tell you that my little ones, they freaking love it, especially when what we save on the energy bill, we can spend on Christmas presents. Do your kids hate camping as much as mine? Well, let's just say they're gonna like it now. Because for the first time in history, you can bring the comfort of your living room out into the world. Playing the newest game from your favorite console under the stars is just a whole other experience. But here at Enron, we care about the intersection of technology and nature, which is why I'm proud to announce that Enron has teamed up with FEMA to provide nuclear eggs to rapid response teams all around the globe. All of this made possible by the Enron mining division, which has been sourcing the proprietary Enronium ore, which I think you'll agree has unlocked a new atomic age. Because that's what it's all about, folks. Making the world a better place, one egg at a time. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you to our Chief Technology Officer, the man responsible for the design and engineering of this egg, Mr. Daniel Wong.
You know, ever since I was a kid, I loved taking apart all my toys and computers to see how they worked. Now, let's do that with the Enron egg. We have to start with the extreme heat resistance made possible by its advanced Enronium casing. Each unit provides a reliable output of 200 amps, delivering continuous power for up to 10 years before requiring refueling. Here's how it works. At the heart of the egg lies a uranium zirconium hydride-fueled reactor, chosen for its safety and efficiency. The nuclear reactor is precisely regulated by 9 boron-controlled drums located around the perimeter to maintain balance and stability. That's nuclear power you can trust. It's even got a little TV, so our team's always watching. Hydrogen-enriched heavy water in the primary cooling module slows fission reactions, and a robust pump drives the system's cooling, ensuring consistent performance and extended lifespan. For your safety, only certified Enron engineers have access to the internals of the egg, which only uses 20% enriched uranium. This is far too low to make an atomic weapon. It would simply be impossible. Back to you, Connor.
Great job. Great job. Daniel Wong. Daniel Wong, thank you so much for coming out today to the Enron Power Summit. We have a few eggs out in the lobby. Take a look at them, feel them, touch them. They're beautiful. But I just want to, give another shout out to Daniel here. He's just an incredible person for Enron. I'm so excited and just honored, honestly, that someone that started off as a coworker a few years ago is now my friend. So. Until then, we'll see you next time.